In this video, I look at a Nintendo Switch that I wasn't able to fix last weekend. On Saturday, the 11th of December, we as a community managed to raise a grand total of £1,125 for the Christmas Toy Appeal charity. A humongous thank you to every single person who donated on that day. For every £25 donated, a disadvantaged child was given a sack of toys to open on Christmas Day. Thanks to you. We smashed a £1,000 target in a day of live streaming, but what I will do is continue to put that link in my video description until the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. The next few uploads you'll see on this channel are going to be snippets from the live stream, just in case anyone feels like they missed out a little bit. And we actually had some really, really good fixes. Enjoy. I mean, I've put on the back of it, use M92 if needs be, water damaged, dead. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be the one that I worked on recently. This could be my first ever connector replacement today, so hype in the chat if you want to see that. So I need to take that from another board. We still get the 0.00. Now that looks pretty flush. This is the M92 chip. That looks pretty flush. That also looks pretty flush. It's just flux that I've left on the board because I deemed it as a no fix. That's not a hole or anything in the chip, that's literally just flux I need to get rid of. But yeah, this seems okay. It doesn't seem a little bit wonky either, I don't think. And I'm pretty sure it's flush with the board. So M92 is okay. So what I'm going to do now is double check a lot of other things. First things first is the coil. I didn't actually check the coil last time, so let me put this into continuity mode and see what's going on. Here we go. So we should get a continuous connection on the coil. And we do. I just had to dig through the flux. Yeah, there's definitely a continuous path on the coil, so the coil is fine. Yeah, BQ is fine. I will check around the caps around it just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure BQ is fine. So meter again in continuity mode. Black probe is going to go onto ground. Seems fine. And this is the one where we've done the port, and the port seems fine, to be honest. Looks okay. Let me check. I'm pretty sure I checked this fuse. There's no beep. You guys can hear the beep, right? There's no beep on the fuse. Okay, in that case, let me get the amp meter, and I'm going to see if I get voltage at the port, and then if I get voltage after the port on this fuse. I get 5.2 volts. And nothing. Oh man, I get nothing after the fuse. 5.2, nothing. Let me check this cap. That cap's also not dead. Can you check in resistant mode the fuse to ground? He means resistance to ground, I think, Joey. As in, so this is where I fall off the scale a bit, and my terminology is horrendous, right? So when you say resistance mode, I'm in ohms mode, right? Is that what I'm meant to be in? So this is on the dead side, right? This is 2.1 mega ohms, and it's fluctuating. And now it's 400,000. Yeah, I've got 4.4 mega ohms. If I go on the other side, I've got 54 mega ohms, 55 mega ohms, 56 mega ohms, 57 mega ohms. But the side that's not registering properly is 1.2 mega ohms. I think let's get it off. Man, if I can get this switch working, bro, I'm gonna be happy. Because we have to replace this as well, guys. Who wants to see Joey Does Tech replace an LCD connector, man? Oh no. You take this one off and I'll replace it. I've lost it to the flux. Believe it or not, it's not actually sticking down. So let me just add some solder. It does need to go over a little bit, doesn't it? I don't know if that's flat to the board or not. I will check. Yeah, that's fine. I think we've got a nice healthy bit of solder on each side as well. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Let's test this. Here we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Any difference? It was 0.00 before. 0.03! 0.07! No way, is this been fixed? 3, 2, 1. Show me the money. 0.08 go up, 0.10 go up, keep going, 0.11 keep, 0.11 amps. I've got a backlight. I've got a backlight. I've got a backlight. You can see the backlight there. Okay, should we turn it over? Nothing on screen, but I don't think I'm going to have anything on screen because of the LCD connector situation that we've got going. Let me take this out and then try it this way as well. Have I got anything up here? This is where we're looking for the battery symbol. We haven't. You guys can see, right? It's going up. 2.837, 2.839, that's dead. So we need to give that time to charge, guys, right? Right, what we'll do then is we'll do the ribbon connector now. I'm very nervous. I'm really nervous about this because I feel like this is like a level up in soldering, is to take these connectors off and stuff, you know. Guys, I have it. I'm going to keep the fan on for a little bit and I'm going to show you guys the state of the connector and we're going to work out together if it was a good or bad pull. Are you guys ready? All right, no melted plastic from what I can see. I don't know about you guys, let me flip it over. Nice, yes guys, that's what I'm talking about. Guys, are we bonjour or not? Now, also, should I tin the connector? So the actual LCD ribbon connector as well. Should I tin up on the connector to make sure that I've got solder on there so it sticks easier? Or should I leave what's on there already? Because I think we already have some solder on this connector. So do you think I should leave it? Already tinned? Okay, leave it. Okay, I don't personally. Cool, leave the connector. Sweet. That's it. That's all I'm going for. That's all I'm going for. I've just lined it up roughly with the pins, and I feel like it's going to be fine. Once the flux melts, it should put it into place anyway. Guys, wish me luck. Here we go. It's blew it all over the place, man. It's gone all over the place. There is no way that's worked, by the way. There's no chance. I think I've ruined this board. I put heat to it, and it went, see you later. And it went like off the board. The connector went off the board. Here we go. Let's have a look. Did we solder on the connector correctly? No. There's the NAND. Oh, this is really scary. Oh my god. No way. No way. What? Are you joking? Wait, nah, there's no chance, man. I can't believe it. I'm actually so shocked. And I promise I haven't just swapped out the board. We're looking for a symbol up here, guys. If we get a symbol up here, it's unbelievable. If we get a symbol up here, here we go. Wish me luck. Come on! This switch has had so much cosmetic surgery. Well done, thank you. Cruz, what's going on, man? I've missed you, bro. I can't believe it's worked. Oh my gosh.